So here is the Powerbolt Deadbolt. Pretty cool design. What's nice about it is you still have a key just in case something goes wrong. And the first thing you want to do is just put the key in, make sure it turns, make sure you're good there. And on the back side here, to access where the batteries go, you just grab this cover and pull up. Takes 4 AA batteries. And maybe the most important thing to remember is if you mess anything up, there's this little reset button right here. And if you ever want to return this to factory settings, you put this in here and hold it down for 5 seconds. And you're going to hear it beep. Beeps 3 times, and all the programming that's been done to it has been reset. If you found this video and we're hoping to see how this is installed, it's pretty basic. The bolt goes in first. You put this piece through, the actual lock piece. Make sure it's in the unlocked position. Make sure the piece that's going through here is flat. Then there's a bracket that goes on the back side that attaches to that piece. The wire runs through, you connect it to the wire on this piece, and then there's 3 bolts that hold this piece on.